Hey everybody, welcome to Campground Cuisine. I'm Cindy. Today I am in a great new park. It's in the beautiful state of South Carolina. It's called Santee State Park, and I'm with a group of ladies and we're camping, and I'm going to fix a little dinner here to take to a potluck, and I wanted to share with you what I'm doing. So I stopped by the Dollar Tree, one of my favorite places to shop for camping, and I bought some jasmine rice. Now this can be done in the microwave, but I'm just going to do a little resaturation and put some water and heat it up on my little camp stove right here. It's just a single light camp stove. And I'm going to try not to use too many dishes or too many things getting dirty, because certainly we don't want to be dealing with that on the campground, right? Okay, so let's get this rice started. I've already let it soak in a little bit of water, but we're going to get some more water in here and get this nice and moist and cooking up. Once this gets to where I think it's good and hot and a little loose, looking more like normal rice, not packaged rice, I'm going to start working on beans, because tonight what I'm fixing is a shrimp Mexican bowl. So we're going to use the basis of the white rice. I bought some black beans. I'm also going to be using just a little seasoning I put together, nothing fancy, but I'm not going to tell you what it is.
Secret.
I've also got some spinach, baby spinach that I've cut up just to add a little freshness to the meal, top it off. Some cheese, because I mean, is it Mexican if it doesn't have cheese? No, it's not. And then a very fancy salsa. So we're going to come back in a few minutes after I get all this rice going and start layering the elements here and put together my shrimp Mexican bowl. Okay, so it's time for the black beans. We're going to go ahead and put it down in there because it's starting to sizzle on the rice. I'm not going to put all of the juice in there. I'm just going to kind of scoop in the black beans. All right, and let's get a good stir in here, get all this goodness and the seasoning. Right, it's starting to get hot. Now I'm gonna put in my magic seasoning.
We don't have that.
Don't tell anybody. Nice. All right. So we're gonna let this sizzle for just a couple minutes. We'll be right back. Okay, so the magic seasoning is going to go on my shrimp. These are clean shrimp. They don't have any veins or anything. It doesn't take very long to cook shrimp. So we're just going to get a nice color on them, and then we'll start combining everything into a plate. Okay, we'll be right back. We want to get a nice pink color on them, but not get them overcooked, because nobody wants hard, rubbery shrimp. So we're almost there, just a few more minutes. I put, like I said, showed you earlier, a little bit of seasoning. I had a little bit of cooking oil down in there because I've still got some remnants of the rice and beans, because to be honest, I want to do everything in one pot. I'm going to be combining the rice and beans back in this pot, get it hot, and then I'm going to make my plate, and we'll be right back when I'm ready to sit down and enjoy this campground cuisine. All right, the moment of truth. Very excited. So we've got the black beans and rice have been reheated. We got them nice and hot. So we're going to put it down here on my fancy plate. Don't be jealous of all my fancy plates here at the campground. Nice paper plate. So I got some, ooh, this is looking good.
It smells good.
It is smelling good. That's a nice little portion right there. So now we're going to get the shrimp and put them out. Oh yeah. I made myself plenty because I know this will be my favorite part of the meal. I'm gonna add a little bit of freshness here with some baby spinach leaves. Just shred that up a little bit.
From your garden?
Around. Yeah, there we go. Some cheese. Adds a little flash. Color. Isn't that looking good?
Looks beautiful.
And then
salsa.
The salsa. So you're cooking for your whole crew. You can just make the portions a little bigger. This was super easy. I mean, just got some frozen shrimp. Prepping is the key. I had everything all ready to go in its little containers, as you saw. Everything's ready. And now I have this beautiful plate that is heavy with a Mexican shrimp bowl or plate right here at the campground. We're fixing to sit down and have dinner together. So listen, I hope this is a menu item you might want to try at your own campground. Seriously, just make the portions a little bit bigger. You can add in other fish if you would like, but I think shrimp works really well with this. So anyway, have fun, enjoy your time, and thanks for coming, watching it all the way to the end. We'll see you next time on Campground Cuisine.